Did you know there are other ways to emphasize a document besides the highlight? We're going to show you that on the CueCast. Hey, welcome into episode 4 of the CueCast, and today we are going to talk about using a feature that a lot of people don't even know it's there, but it's a way to emphasize your document on the screen. Whether you've done a call out or a zoom, that's great. Once you've done it, you know that the highlight is the granddaddy of them all. That is the one that's used by everyone. It's the yellow highlight. But did you know there's another way to draw attention? And that is using the Colorize feature. And we're going to do that for you right here on the CueCast. Before we get to the Colorize, hey, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We would greatly appreciate it. If you have questions, send them in, CueCast at oncuetech.com. And that's where we're covering features. And so if you say, hey, is there a feature that does this, or is there something that does this? We'll be glad to get that on the CueCast for you. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and jump into today's lesson. All right, so we are now inside of our case here. And the normal thing that would happen for most people in the course of trial is you would simply do a call out, and we would call out this area here, and then we would do a highlight and just highlight across it. But I've got another way. Let's double click and take that down. If you go to your filled rectangle tool right here on your toolbar, make it whatever color you want. I'm going to go ahead and make it red here. But go to your blend mode and select Colorize. It's probably by default sitting on normal. What you want to do is come here and change this to Colorize. And here's what happens. Take a look at that. Now, any text that you have that you want to turn red, you would just do this. So you can see where that could come handy when you are just focusing on some numbers and you want to turn some numbers, some colors. If you don't like those colors, change the color, make it a blue. You can then colorize your text as blue. I don't know if anybody knew this feature was available. I know when I first learned of it and started using it, it has become a wonderful feature to use. And that is the Colorize feature. Thank you very much for all of your likes and the subscribes that you've given us on YouTube. And keep things coming to us. This is how we get to where we show you what you want to know here on the CueCast. Some are long. We try to not keep them any longer than 10 minutes. And some are fairly short, like today's lesson. But we hope that you're finding this to be beneficial to you, and you're learning some little tips and tricks for this. So we'll see you next week here on the CueCast. My name's Rob Helt. Thank you for watching.